Hello students, as you know, we are doing exercise 12.2. So today we are going to solve question number 11 first, which says if 5a plus 1 by 7a is equal to 5, find the value of this. Okay, so this thing is already given. You have to find out the value of this using this given information. Okay, so this sum can be done in many ways, but I am going to show a particular one. So let me first write the given expression. 5a plus 1 by 7a is equal to 5, which is already given. Now I am going to take square on both sides. So squaring both sides, we get, so if I take the square of this will simply give me 5a plus 1 by 7a whole square is equal to 5 square. Now by now you already have seen in many sums that this thing is nothing but a plus b whole square, so therefore I am going to use that formula to expand this thing. So this will give me 5a whole square, that is our a square, plus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into 5a into 1 by 7a, plus b square, which is 1 by 7a whole square, that is equal to 25. I hope this expansion is clear to everyone. So as I told you, always mention the formula. Now this thing will give you 25a square. Now as you can see here, this a and this a will be gone. You are getting actually 5 into 2, that is 10 by 7, right? And plus this thing will give you 1 by 49 a square, right? And this is 25. So therefore 25a square plus 1 by 49a square is equal to 25 minus 10 by 7. So we can write 25a square by plus 1 by 49a square is equal to, if you do the LCM, this will give you 7. If you multiply 25 by 7, that will give you how much? 175, right? Minus 10. So therefore we are getting 25a square plus 1 by 49a square is equal to 165 by 7. If you convert this thing into a mixed fraction, this thing will give you 7 to the 14, then you are getting 25 here. So 3 7s are 21, so 23 whole 4 by 7. I hope this is clear to everybody. So therefore the answer is 23 whole 4 by 7. I hope the sum is clear to everyone. Now let us solve question number 12, which says if 2x minus 1 by x is equal to 4, find the value of this. So let me first write the given expression. 2x minus 1 by x is equal to 4. You can see what the question is asking you to find out the value of this. So from the past experiences of solving some problems from this chapter, you can clearly understand that if you want a 4x square over here and an x square over here, so this 2 is in a wrong place, right? If this 2 was over here instead of being over here, and if you take whole square of this thing, that could give the value of this thing, right? Are you getting my point? From this given expression you can see that there is a 4 over here, so therefore the 2 should have been with this x, there should have been a 2 over here, and since you can see only an x square over here, this should have been a only x, not a 2x, right? So to get this thing, to get this information, to get this expression into the required desired form, what I am going to do is just multiply both the sides by a half. So multiplying both sides by half, we get, you can see this thing will give me half into 2x minus 1 by x, that is equal to half into 4, right? Now if you multiply this half inside, that will give you x minus 1 by 2x, right? This half will multiply, when this half is multiplied with this 2x, the 2's will be gone, and when this half is multiplied with this 1 by x, that will give you half x, or rather 1 by 2x, and this thing will give you a 2. Now square both sides. Now if we do square on both sides, that will give us x minus 2x whole square, that is equal to 2 square, right? Now this thing will follow the formula of a minus b whole square. So therefore expansion looks like this: x square minus 2 into x into 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2x whole square, that is equal to 4, right? Mention the formula as usual. This thing will give you x squared, the x's over here will be gone and 2's will be gone as well. So minus 1 plus 1 by 4x square, that is equal to 4. So therefore x square plus 1 by 4x square will give you 4 plus 1, which is 5. So we are getting x square plus 1 by 4x square is equal to 5. Therefore, as you can see that the question was you have to find out the value of this, which you are getting to be 5. So therefore the answer is 5. That's all for this video. Thank you.